Hey, here we are again. Some of my students require speech to text, and I have them use a website that is easy to use. It's called speechtexter.com, and it comes up like this. And so what they do is they just bring it up on whatever device they're on, and they click Start Dictating. You click on the screen, and you'll have to click Start. Once it clicks Start, you can see that up here in the right-hand corner, it is recording everything that I am saying. As soon as I stop for any period of time, it will put it down here in the white. I can then put a comma or a period and click Enter, and it will continue to type up here. Once they have everything that they need and are done typing, they can click Stop after the last text goes in. They can edit what they need to, and then they can copy it and paste it wherever they want. There are a lot of our students that need this and that have this as a requirement for their IEPs and whatnot, and this is one of the easiest ones I have found. Enjoy. It might be awesome for you as well.